Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how AskUp works on Upswing's platform. So I'm already logged in as a Upswing student, so let's go ahead and see what this looks like. So once I've logged into my profile, I'm going to go here to the AskUp button, go ahead and click on that. And if I scroll down here, I can see a little bit more information about what's going on with AskUp. So the first thing we're going to do is submit an assignment for review. So I just need to fill out a little bit of information just to give the tutor a little bit more context about what's going on here. So let's go ahead and give it a title. I'm going to call this my 1984 essay. And once I've done that, I can also select a main file to upload. So I went ahead and selected my file, and it's going to upload. And once everything looks good, there's going to be this little green checkbox just to let me know that the file is supported and I did use the right extension and the right formatting. So I can upload a supporting file. Now this is good for things like assignment sheets, or just other sources that I might need to include, things like that, basically just to give the coach a little bit more context. But that's not required, and I'm not going to do that just for this demo. Now here for the description, I'm going to put in a little bit more information, basically just to let the coach know what this is about. So for the description, I'm just going to put in a little bit more information just to help the coach out so they know what the paper is actually about. And here for a reason, we're just going to put in why we are submitting this paper. So in this case, I'm actually looking to get some grammar fixes done. So I'm just going to put in grammar fixes. And once that looks good, let's go ahead and select a subject. And once everything looks good on everything, let's just click submit. So as you can see for this item, the status is currently pending, but I can still click this view button. So one of the things I can do here is add in my response. So let's say I fix something, or I change something, or I just want to add another message for the coach. So I can go ahead and write something here. So here I just wrote ignore the conclusion, just to give the coach a little bit of a heads up. But what I can also do is attach a file. So I just attached a file with a new conclusion, and as you can see, it's going to show up here in recent activity. Now all of this will be viewable by the coach, and we're actually going to look at that in a little bit. But once everything looks good for me, I'm just going to click this X button, and basically now I am still just waiting on a coach to approve this paper. So now let's flip over to the coach side and see what everything looks like. Alright, so I am logged in as an Upswing coach, and I'm going to go over here to AskUp to begin. So here in the submission queues box, we're going to be able to see papers that need to be approved. So I'm going to click this claim button right here. And as you can see, I can see this most recent paper that we were just working with. So after looking over everything, I've decided to go ahead and approve this paper. So I'm going to go over here to Actions and click the Approve button. And as you can see, the action has been performed successfully and it has been approved. So once I'm done approving papers, I can switch over to the awaiting assignment queue. So as you can see, we're going to have this awaiting assignment queue right here. And once again, I'm going to click the claim button. And I'm going to once again see the most recent submission. So this is the paper that we were just working with, and because I do want to start working on this paper, I'm going to click the Start Review button. And once I do that, it's going to be added to my current work. So now let's go ahead and start working on this. So just like on the student side, I can go ahead and add a response. So I'll just say thanks for letting me know, and it's going to be added to the activity. And here I can also go ahead and attach a file. So let's just say that I have already finished working on this paper. So let's go ahead and attach a file, and I'm going to go ahead and upload that, and it's going to be added to the activity. And I'm just going to leave a message, and let's go ahead and send that. And now what I'm going to do is go up here to the Actions button and click Mark Complete. So once I've done that, it's going to go ahead and take it away from my current work, because now it is on the student to go ahead and approve that. So let's go ahead and switch over to the student side and see what they're looking at. Alright, so I'm back at my student profile, and down here in the AskUp section, we can see that essay that I just submitted, it says it's completed. So let's go ahead and click the View button. So once everything looks good to me, I can go over here to Actions and hit the Complete button. Now I do have a few other options here. I can ask for a second draft, which basically means there's a few other things I want changed, or I have a newer version that I'd like the coach to look at, or I can go ahead and submit this for review. But for now, let's just click the Complete button, and once I do that, I'm pretty much good to go. This is just going to show up in my previous submissions. That way I can still access old files if I need them down the line, but I'm good to go now. Alright, so that is just about it for AskUp on Upswing. If you have any questions, please let us know. We definitely want to hear your feedback on this. We're definitely excited to get this in the hands of users and see what you think. Thanks for watching.